2, 1.
Just because someone doesn't die one time doesn't mean they're not going to die the next. Your feet. Interrupting roar. Swap. Next to the arrows are going to hit everyone swap.
I'll get it.
Dropping. Watch your feet. Don't get hit by this set of lobos, guys. Be careful. Alright, we're hitting with the next set of arrows. Melee can swap. Everybody can swap. Hit with arrows.
Let Mario.
Alright, hit with the next set of arrows. Nobody dies. Just one arrow hits.
I got it.
Everyone else to avoid. We've had plenty of those. Alright, we're bait spots. The kill group can go. Wait on lust. Just wait on lust, I'll say when. We're baiting. Alright. Lust now. Obelisks. We're gonna be dropping soon. We're dropping. Arrows hit the boss. Arrows hit the boss. Baits and hit your targets. Everybody watch out, don't get hit. Arrows are gonna hit the boss here. We're dropping shit. Arrows hit, and we're going to move far ahead for the next hit of obelisk. Obelisk baits, melee. Make sure you hit your targets. Alright, now arrows are going to hit Illyria. Dropping shell on the ground, arrows hit, and we're baiting obelisks right after. Baiting obelisks. Hit your targets. We're going to do one more set of arrows. Ads are going to spawn, and then we're going to wait for obelisks, and everyone's going to go across. Arrows hit. Ads are going to spawn. We're going to wait for obelisks. Everybody that doesn't have the obelisk can go. Here's the next obelisk. There it is. Everyone that doesn't have the obelisk, go.
You got it here.
Make sure we hit our target. Mark, you're gonna totally miss. It's okay. It's fine. We have one extra. Just arrows hit the boss here. Arrows hit the boss. We're gonna be pushing soon. Everyone push up. Push up. Don't get knocked off. Don't get knocked off. Push the boss. Don't get knocked off. Watch these obelisks. Alright, don't be in the center. I'll move to the center. Go to the bait spot. Tank and melee are gonna break instantly. Mark, you remember to use your macro here. Tank and melee are gonna break instantly. Everyone else go. Watch the obelisk. We're in obelisk bait spots. Surviving with health pots if needed. Be res and holy. Obelisk spawn where it should be in the corner. Make sure that you're not getting shotgunned. Big damage on the Jaeger. One of our middle team's killing. We're dropping shit on the ground. We're gonna move over. Drop more shit. We're gonna get tethers. Tethers tank first, then it's gonna be ranged, and then melee. Tank instantly. Ranged, go ahead. Watch these, go to the center of the room now. Melee break, go to the center of the room. Took a shotgun. We're at bait spot, and then we're gonna wait for when I say. Gate. Range break. Defensives, melee break. Health pots if you need it. Alright, now watch these. Make sure that you're
pots.
Ranged, all ranged, hitting the ad in the center. Kill the Rift and the Damar. Interrupting cast, be careful. We're good, it's dead. We're dropping, we're moving over. Obelisk are gonna spawn. Range break. Wait. Melee break now. Obelisk, don't kill everybody, just wait. We're gonna pick up feathers, we're gonna jump across soon. Go ahead now.
Connor.
Tank's gonna break first. Be-res Barranda.
Press. I'll taunt immediately. Oh boy.
And then break. Just don't hit anyone with these obelisks.
Kill a boss.
Everything on the way.
Let's go!
Oh my god, fuck you, weekday team!
Good
Do
shit.
it again.
Hey, one of your tinks just happened to be from there, alright? Let's settle down there, boss.
I'm sorry.